This video is sponsored by Bulldog Skincare for Men.
Do you ever just look at your dog and think, I wish I could be as cute as them? I do, all the time actually. And thanks to my friends at Bulldog Skincare, I too will hope to be as glowing and beautiful as my Bulldog Bella. Hey, it's Jason Wrobel, J-Ro, here on the J-Ro Show. And today I want to walk you through my daily skincare routine. Thanks to Bulldog Skincare for Men, I'm going to be showcasing some of their fantastic skincare line for men as part of their holiday skincare gift box. So we're going to be going through some of their products here and showing you exactly how the daily routine goes and why they call me Jason Global. So a little bit of history with me and Bulldog Skincare. I actually have been using their products for about 9 months now. I was introduced to them earlier this year, and I started using their stuff because I am a big fan of making sure that not only are you taking care of the inside of your body, you're also taking care of the outside. And as I get a little bit older, I'm definitely trying to step up my game in terms of self-care. So I'm super stoked to use some of their new products I've never tried before and show you how I go through my daily skincare regimen. So let's do a little unboxing first and see what we've got in here. So the first thing in here is we've got their original face wash. We've got their original beard oil. We've got their fancy beard balm. The original beard shampoo and conditioner. OG moisturizer. And their original face scrub. So let's go through skincare routine. This is something I do every single day with Bulldog's products, and it's super easy. I know for guys watching or the ladies who love the men out there, we don't want to keep this complicated. You got to make sure the skincare and the self-care routine is simple every day if we're going to be consistent with it. I'm a big fan of exfoliation because, especially living in a big city like Los Angeles, you know, there's so much grime and dirt and stuff in the air that, you know, gets embedded in our pores and our skin. So I'm a big fan of exfoliating at least 3 times a week. So let's start with the original face scrub. One of the things that I really love about this brand is they don't have anything synthetic. There's no SLS, there's no parabens, there's no artificial ingredients, and it smells incredible. I think this blend is aloe, camelina, and green tea. Smells so good. It has really nice texture too. A lot of face scrubs can be a little bit harsh. This one feels like it's effective, but like really gentle at the same time. All right, so just make sure you're rubbing it in gently, but with pressure. And then, it's nice and tingly too. It's like my face is awake now. Another thing that I love about Bulldog is they are vegan friendly, they're cruelty free. They have a very minimal paw print, and I just love the vibe of the products. I love the fact that there's a really high vibe skincare line specifically for men, which in the wellness industry is pretty rare to find. Something that is actually catering to the needs and the desires of men who are taking good care of themselves, and I think that's dope. That is very satisfying from a tactile perspective. Look at this. This is gorgeous beard balm. So again, aloe, camelina, green tea. It smells absolutely incredible. And the formulations on here are really great. They contain really high quality natural and man-made ingredients to really just help men look and feel their best. And again, you know, if you're a guy who's on the go, you're hustling, you're working hard, you know, you're putting a lot of energy and will to do your thing in the world, you gotta look good, you gotta feel your best. And I really believe in what these guys are doing in terms of their formulations and how clean their ingredients are. So let's try a little bit of the beard balm. Now, truth be told, I don't have the biggest beard right now. Sometimes it gets a little bit bushier. It's a little bit on the thin side right now, but let's just try the beard balm out. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I love the way it feels on my skin because it doesn't feel greasy. It feels like it absorbs really nicely, and I like that because some products feel like they're just sitting on your face, and these have just a really smooth, silky texture, and it feels like it's actually just working. It feels like it's actually absorbing and working well with my skin. That is so nice. This is the one I am super excited to show you. This is actually the one product that I was first introduced to Bulldog 9 months ago, is their original moisturizer. And I've been using it ever since, every single day. Right before I go to bed, I put a nice layer of this moisturizer on. And the cool thing about these products is they are formulated to work well for men with any kind of skin, whether you have oily skin, whether you have sensitive skin, or normal skin, dry skin, whatever's going on, this is really gonna do a great job for whatever your skin type is. So the cool thing is you don't need to use a ton of this moisturizer. A little bit goes a long way. And so maybe if you get like a dime-sized amount, about that much. And what I like to do is I like to do kind of the dab method. I like to do the dab method where I just put a little bit on different spots of my face. Gotta get the neckline too. And then I just like to work it in. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels very cooling. It feels very fresh and feels very cooling on the skin. Make sure the schnozola is getting some love there. The moneymaker, gotta make sure the moneymaker's getting some love. And I swear, it even to me, in my mind, just like gives this nice, fresh, glowing appearance to the skin. And again, this is something you can use every single day. I use this moisturizer every day. And it just works great with my skin. I'm just a huge fan of what these guys are up to. Gifting these products from Bulldog are as simple and straightforward as the rest of their brand. And these core products you can experience for the first time. If you're a guy watching this video, I highly encourage you to check them out. Or for the guy in your life who you want to help step up their self-care and their skincare regimen. And they come in this amazing, gorgeous gift box for the holidays. As I showed you in the beginning, everything comes in here, all the products here, super simple, straightforward, and they feel amazing. So if you want to get one of Bulldog's men's skincare kits, or they have a beard care kit, click on the link in the description field below to check out these amazing gift ideas. And I've also got a 20% coupon code in the description field, so you can either gift yourself or a man that you love with these wonderful products for this holiday season. Now, of course, in addition to using skincare products like Bulldog, you've also got to take care of the inside. So remember to hydrate, eat clean food, and take the best care of yourself for this holiday season and into the new year as well. All right, well, that's it for me and Bella. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel here, The J-Ro Show. Check out the Bulldog gift sets for the holidays, and I will see you guys soon with another video here on The J-Ro Show. Peace. Say goodbye, baby. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Thanks again to Bulldog Skincare for Men for sponsoring this video.